Piston pin clip. You only put in, before we mount the piston, one. So the boost port window at 12 o'clock, and you put in the clip on the left hand side. Show you the engine why it is like that. Piston mount. Which side does this window go? There is one window in the piston, opposite side of the pin, not on the side of the pin, corner pin, but here. So that's an easy trick. There is the exhaust down there. This window never goes to the exhaust. It always goes the other direction, and towards the exhaust there is no window in the piston. Easy peasy. Forget about all arrows here and marks, whatever. It's just an easy trick. Piston skirt closed towards the exhaust. Window never towards the exhaust. This window has to match the port in the engine case and of course in the cylinder. So what I do is I put in the clip on this side on the workbench, and now we are mounting it like this. We do need the bearing, we need some grease second. By the way, cheers guys. Yeah, that works way better than white wine. Where were we? Grease. We take some grease. Then piston pin. The piston window up, not towards the exhaust. And then just push it in. When it's when everything is new hardware, then there is no problem with the removing and putting in the piston pin. When it's an old piston, which perhaps already sized, Polini 177, a classic, then it is a bitch to get it in and get it out. So let's change the view for the video. So, always make sure it is full way in and that you see the groove for the clip. Now take a caliper, an angled one, I prefer these. Then take the clip around here. The other thumb is very important. You just hold it that it does not jump away, and there we go. It has to make click, and it just did. So that was it. Piston is in. The Piaggio used the bearing of the original Piaggio. If you have a replica, don't use the Mazzucchelli bearing, use Piaggio, but this is gonna be a separate guide.